this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell a membership on a location and then add any additional recurring services that you might want to that membership from the membership settings page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go to this search, and we're going to go to find the location we want to add a membership to. So let's say, here we go, let's go to Jack Turner here. And let's say we want to sell the membership. So what we're going to do is go to these three dots, and we're going to click Sell Membership. Basically what it's going to allow us to do is it's going to allow us to select a business unit. We're going to just do HVAC maintenance, and we're going to select the membership as Gold. Then we can select a location that gets the membership discounts, and select the location that gets the recurring service, and we can obviously apply it to additional recurring locations or services. Now, the nice thing about this is actually creating a membership without a job. So you can just create a membership right from the office. So we're going to go ahead and create this membership. And you'll see it generates the membership invoice, which then can be sent to the customer via the standard ways. Then what we're going to do is click View Membership. Let's say we want to add a recurring service to this. Let's say we told the customer we'd give them one more recurring service over the phone. So you can click this Edit button, and down at the bottom here, obviously you can change all your settings here, but you can also add a recurring service. So let's say we want to add a Gold Plumbing membership, recurring service. There we go. We can go ahead and click Save, and that'll add that additional recurring service item to that membership, which is all you have to do in order to get that going.